Traditionally, VP.Start focused on transforming an electrical grid into a smart grid. Our new endeavour is to provide smart city solutions that can transform a city to become more convenient and sustainable, both now and for future generations. Our smart city solutions offer a range of sophisticated analysis, including Internet of Things, cloud computing, data analytics, and digital transactions. With our range, cities can enhance public safety, traffic management, citizen service improvements, and energy consumption, whilst reducing their carbon footprint. Our latest smart city solution is the Nightlight system, which is an intelligent streetlight network that is equipped with controls that enables flexible scheduling based on daylight hours. It also includes real-time data on power usage and faults, which improves public safety. In addition to the Nightlight system, we have other vital smart city solutions, such as smart parking, smart waste management, smart traffic light, multi-display systems, and camera security. All these solutions are designed to make cities more efficient, sustainable, and livable. Our vision for smart cities is to create a future where cities are more connected, efficient, and sustainable, and where citizens can enjoy a high quality of life. We believe technology plays a crucial role in achieving this vision. By providing innovative solutions that exceed the expectations of a modern city, we will create a future that is more prosperous and sustainable.
VP.Start, innovation through technology.